enjoying me.
Are you doing that on purpose? Are you scratching more on purpose, or you just or you just very normally, naturally just like to scratch the pillow?
Very normal, you know.
Very normal,
Very
normally.
unconscious, sorry, very fast in this one.
How much did you gain last night by eating a lot? How much weight? How much weight?
Yes, I gained around 5 pounds because I eat a lot of carbonara, you know, every 30 minutes.
Every 30 minutes? Every 30 minutes you're eating carbonara. Every time there's carbonara.
Every time I gained like this 1 pound.
Oh.
Very, very good.
Yeah.
And that we continue on 1 pound a day, you know.
No.
And by the end of March, gain 30, 31, yeah, something like that.
No, don't like.
Should be already 160, very good.
No. No, by the end of March, I should be 125 pounds.
And it's very possible without the ballerina, right? Yeah.
I need ballerina. I'm gonna buy more ballerina.
Yeah,
I need ballerina. I am going to buy ballerina.
Yeah, we are going to buy.
No. I will buy.
We are going to buy ballerina.
No, I will buy.
Wow.
I will buy ballerina. I will go alone.
Why?
Because I want to go alone.
Very bad. I scratch.
No.